So this is a solo match. Don't know how to prove it, but yeah, they're teaming. View match stats. I would have won this too if they weren't teaming. Look at this. I wonder if they're gonna win though. Report player. All right. Let's see. Where's his friend? Behind him. He just launch padded away. That guy right in front of him. All right. Yeah, this guy right here, Sun God. That was the guy next to him. They're teaming. You sound 100% shook from this experience. It's because I would have won.
You're like, that's him in front of me. Yeah, Sun God. He's the dude who was...
It's because I would have won this game too.
That's why you're using the team.
Shut up.
I want to see him use the rocket launcher.
Shut up. Let's report this guy too while I'm at it. Stop! Goodness. You're cancer.
You can edit this dude out.
Can't believe these guys were actually freaking teaming.
This is him right here. Sun God 17. This is it right here.
Shut up! Lucas, I need to do this.
No.
He's the only guy in this last three with this skin, so it's definitely him that was teaming. He doesn't even have a kill? I thought he had a kill. There we go. So that's that.